Before you can run payroll in QuickBooks Online Payroll, you need to add your employees. Let's go over how to add your employees, including their personal details, employment details, pay schedule, and pay history. We'll also show you how to make this easier by inviting your employees to add some of their info themselves. To start, go to Payroll and then Overview. If you are setting up, select Start under Tell us about your team, then add an employee. If you've been running payroll already, go to Employees and add an employee. Add your employee's name, email address, and hire date. QuickBooks will automatically email them an invite to QuickBooks Workforce where they can view pay info and documents. Select Add Employee. You can complete updating the details of this employee by selecting Finish Payroll Info, or you can do it later if you want to add another employee. Now you're ready to add your employee's info. Let's start with the Personal Info section. Select Edit. You need to update the employee's details like gender, date of birth, and address. All other fields are optional. Once you're done updating the details in this section, select Save. Next, let's update the Employment Details section. Select Edit. Add your employee's status, hire date, payroll ID, and pay schedule. You will also have to specify if this employee is paid irregularly. All other fields are optional. For pay schedule, select Add Pay Schedule. Tell us how often you pay this employee. Let's select every week for this example. Then update when their next payday is and the end of next pay period. You can name this schedule, and if you want to use it for other employees, just select this box. The pay periods are the days you're paying your employee for. QuickBooks Payroll shows you the next 4 pay periods based on the info you entered, so you can check that everything is correct. If everything looks good, select Save. Check the details entered in the Employment Details page and select Save.
Let's update the tax information section. Select Start. The NI number can be obtained from the employee's last payslip or the P60 form. Under the Starter Declaration, select the relevant option for the employee from the drop-down. Enter the employee's tax code. You can find that on the employee's last payslip or P45 form. Select NI letter. This is again found on the employee's last payslip or P45 form. Select the tax calculation method from the drop-down. If the employee is the company director, select this box and fill in the rest of the details. When you're done, select Save.
To update the payment method for this employee, select Edit. For this example, let's select Paper Check. Select Save. For base pay, tell us how much you pay your employee. Select Start. You can select from hourly, salary, or commission only. For this example, we'll set up an hourly rate. Enter the rate per hour here. Select Save. Under the additional pay types, you can also add other pay types like overtime or bonus. Select Save. For pay types, items like commission, update the details. When you're done, select Save. Under statutory leave, you can set up leaves like statutory sick pay. Once you're done updating the details, select Save. If your employee has any deductions like workplace pension, add them by selecting Edit under Workplace Pension, Loan and Other Deductions. Select Set up Workplace Pension, then fill out the details and select Save. If there are any other deductions and contributions, you can add them here. When finished adding all the deductions, select Done. Update the Emergency Contact section, update the details of the employee's emergency contact and select Save. If you want to change the status or delete the employee for any reason, select the Actions drop-down and then select from the options. You've added your new team member. Nice work! Repeat the same steps to add your other employees.